Good day, children. Today I am going to teach you Geography Chapter 2 Inside Our Earth. The topic is the interior of the Earth. Children, we know that the Earth is our homeland. The Earth is called a blue planet. Children, you know our Earth is also called a dynamic planet. Why it is called a dynamic planet? Because Earth is constantly undergoing changes inside and outside. The Earth is constantly undergoing changes inside and outside. Okay, children? Now, have you ever wondered what lies in the interior of the Earth? What is Earth made up of? Okay, children, now let us study about the interior of the Earth. Children, the interior of the Earth is made up of concentric layers with one inside another. Okay, it is made up of concentric layers with one inside another. What do you mean by concentric layers? The concentric layers has one focus or center. Okay. Now, the three layers of the Earth are crust, mantle and core. Which are the three layers of the Earth? Crust, mantle and core. Now we will study the interior of the Earth with the help of a diagram. You can see the diagram over here. Children, what is the interior of the Earth? It is the concentric layers from the surface of the Earth to the center of the Earth. Okay, concentric layers from the surface of the Earth to the center of the Earth comprises the interior of the Earth. Okay, and the layers, the first layer, the outermost layer is called the crust. Okay, the outermost layer is called the crust, and this is the thinnest layer of all others. Okay, it is the thinnest layer. Then, just below the crust, you can see mantle. Okay, you can see mantle just below the crust. And the third layer is the core. Core is divided into outer core and inner core. Okay. Outer core contains molten magma, whereas inner core is a solid. Okay, children. Now, we will study about the crust. Crust is the outermost layer of the Earth, and it is the thinnest of all other layers. Now, it is divided into continental crust. It is divided into continental crust and oceanic crust. The crust is divided into continental crust and oceanic crust. Children, continental crust is made up of silica and alumina. Silica and alumina is the major mineral components in continental crust. Okay, now we call Cl because we get Si from silica and Al from alumina. Okay, Si from silica and Al from alumina. Thus, we call it Cl. Okay, thus we call it Cl. Now, the depth of the continental crust is 35 kilometers. Okay, how many kilometers depth? 35 kilometers. Now, what about oceanic crust, children? Oceanic crust is made up of silica and magnesium. Silica and magnesium. Thus, we call it Sima. How do we get Sima? Si from silica and Ma from magnesium. So, we get Sima. Okay, we call it Sima, and the depth is 500 kilometer. Okay, oceanic crust, the depth of oceanic crust is 500 kilometers. Okay, children. Now, You can see the diagram of oceanic crust and the continental crust. This part is the oceanic crust, and that is 500 kilometers depth, and here is the continental crust, that is up to 35 kilometers, okay, from the surface of the earth. Now we will study the next layer. What is the next layer? Mantle. Okay, mantle is the second layer. It is just below the crust. Mantle is just below the crust, and mantle extends up to a depth of 2900 kilometers. It is up to 2900 kilometers. Okay, children, and it is the thickest layer. Okay, it is the thickest layer. Now, this is the diagram of mantle. Okay, you can see the red portion. This is mantle. Okay, this is just beneath the crust, and crust is up to 2900 kilometers depth. Now we will move on to the next layer, that is core. Okay, children, the third layer is the core, and it is made up of nickel and iron. It is made up of nickel and iron. Iron is also called ferrous. Okay, it is also called ferrous. And the radius of core is 3500 kilometers. The radius of the core is 3500 kilometers. And the core is divided into outer core. This is outer core. Okay, children, this is outer core, and this is the inner core. It is divided into outer core and inner core. Okay, children, inner core, or we can say center core. And this inner core has very high temperature and pressure. Okay, it has very high temperature and pressure. Children, can we go to the center of the earth? It is not possible, children. It is impossible, because the center core has very high temperature and pressure. Okay, now we will see to the radius of the earth. What is the radius of the earth, children? It is 6371 kilometers, the radius of the earth. Okay, now children, the crust makes 1% of the volume of the earth. Okay, crust makes only 1% of the volume of the earth, whereas mantle makes 84% of the volume of the earth, and the core makes up 15%. Is that clear, children? Okay, now do you know where is the deepest mine in the world? It is in South Africa, and it has only 4 kilometers of depth. The deepest mine has only 4 kilometers of depth. And engineers in search of soil, they have dug up to 6 kilometers from the oceanic floor. Okay, only up to 6 kilometers. So it is impossible to go to the center of the earth. It is about 6000 kilometers we want to dig under the earth. Children, now I hope you have learned about the interior of the earth. Okay, we have studied about the interior of the earth. It is made up of concentric layers, and the 3 layers are crust, mantle and core. Okay, now you have to read page number 7 and 8. Okay, read it thoroughly and make your own questions, short questions. Okay, children? Thank you.